snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Lush. Can I have tap water to start?
Yeah, just tap water.
Thank you.
Wow, I didn't see that. Hi guys. We're at a really cute restaurant for breakfast.
We look like little bums.
Yeah, we didn't know that smart casual was the dress code. But hey, you live and you learn. We didn't really learn.
Okay, here's my smoked salmon eggs Benedict. Here is Baldeep's eggs Benedict. A very intriguing presentation of the ham, and Sharonjeet got avo toast situation, which looks nice. Enjoy. Good luck, Baldeep. Hello, hello. It's day 24. I don't know if we already vlogged. Oh yeah, we vlogged at the restaurant. And so now Baldeep has left. She is hopefully, fingers crossed, at the airport. My sister is resting, and I decided to go and get scones, and I thought I'd take you guys with me. I'm being a real London girl. So my plan did not happen. Basically, wow, this is a cute little situation. I wanted to go to Fortnum and Mason's and have like tea and scones, but I didn't think properly. I should have known that they would have been busy. And boy, were they busy. The 4th floor where they do tea and scones was completely booked. Instead, I walked around the food hall. Not food hall, it's just like grocery store situation that they had in the basement. And that was really hectic, but I was able to get 4 beautiful looking scones, and I got some jam. And now I'm on my way back to my sister's. See you soon.
Hi guys, I made it to the airport finally. It took me a while. I got a little lost. I was a little sick today, so I was a little out of it. Made it just in time. Boarding just started. I haven't eaten much today. Anything I did eat out of me. So got some food, and now we're gonna board in a big old line over there. What I got for my meal, I guess I should tell you, is Nandos, because you know everybody always raves about it, but I have never tried it, and even in the 10 days here didn't try it. So got it for the flight. Let's see if I end up eating it, or else I'll still have never tried it.
Wow guys, so I should have showed you guys the biscuits. I got 4. Instead I ate them. Good job. Bad vlogger. So this one's a plain scone with the raisins, and this one's just plain. They're really good, very dense. So I mean, I haven't tried the raisins, but I'm sure it's good. And then I got this jam, but I shouldn't have because I barely touched any of it. Anyways, TTYL. Hi. So I'm on my way to Tesco to get my sister some dessert situation because a lot of the things are closed tomorrow. We just had some Italian food that we Uber Eats on over to us. So yeah, Tesco time.